Imagine rolling down the highway in something so bold, so beastly, and so downright impressive that every driver you pass just freezes like, whoa, what is that thing? Well, today, guys, we're checking out a motorhome that does exactly that. This thing doesn't just turn heads, it snaps necks. Welcome Bakor channel, and today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Scania Motorhome. A luxury land yacht built on one of the toughest commercial platforms on the planet. Buckle up, because this review is going to be packed with details. Real talk, and everything you need to know before you drop some serious cash on this rolling mansion. The first thing that hits you is the exterior. Scania didn't play games with this one. They gave it a stance that screams authority. Up front, you get that signature Scania grille, wide and confident, framed by sharp LED headlights that look like eyes ready to hunt the road. The lines are clean, bold, and purposeful. Nothing flimsy, nothing pretending. This thing looks like it was carved out of a steel block with designer intentions. The side profile is long, sleek, and super aerodynamic for a rig this size. You can tell Scania put real thought into airflow and stability, and honestly, the whole thing just gives. Off Major, I own the road energy. Down the sides, you've got subtle chrome touches that add just the right amount of bling without making it look tacky. The flush mount storage compartments slide open smoothly, giving you a ridiculous amount of exterior storage. Whether you're hauling camping gear, tools, or bringing along your entire weekend life, there's room for all of it. And the wheels. Man, they're huge, heavy-duty Scania alloys that look like they came straight off a luxury truck. Even the rear end looks awesome, with full-width LED taillights, a clean bumper design, and a super wide rear window that just adds class all day long. Overall, the exterior hits that sweet spot between rugged and premium, like a mix of toughness and billionaire taste. Step inside and prepare yourself, because the interior is a whole other league. You're not just walking into a motorhome, you're walking into a rolling penthouse. The cockpit alone feels like something out of a high-end European SUV. You're gridded by a digital instrument cluster that wraps around the driver like a command station. The massive touchscreen in the center is stupidly responsive, loaded with navigation, vehicle diagnostics, entertainment, and smart home controls. The seats are plush, wide, and fully adjustable, with heating, cooling, and memory functions. They're so soft and comfy, you could literally sit there for hours without a single complaint. And the steering wheel feels premium, with just the right thickness and perfectly placed controls. You can tell Scania wanted this to feel like driving a high-end truck, but living in pure comfort. Moving into the living area, the vibe is straight-up luxury hotel meets high-tech apartment. The materials are legit premium. Soft touch panels, real wood accents, metal trim, and lighting that makes everything glow just right. You get a couch that's not just for show, it's big, super comfortable, and perfect for long chill sessions. The giant panoramic windows pull in tons of daylight, so even when you're parked in the middle of nowhere, the whole space feels bright, airy, and upscale. There's a massive smart TV on the wall, hidden speakers, and a lighting that responds to voice commands. Want movie mode? Boom! The lights dim and the room gets cozy. Want daylight brightness? It adjusts instantly. It's like having a home wherever you go. And the cabinetry. Man, it's insanely well built. Soft close everything, smooth finishes, and tons of storage. Nothing feels cheap, squeaky, or fragile. The kitchen area is legit full size, not one of those tiny RV setups where you can barely cook a sandwich. You get a deep sink with a slick gooseneck faucet, full countertops, high-end induction cooktop, convection oven, fridge that looks like it belongs in a real apartment, and storage everywhere. It's perfect for long-term travelers, digital nomads, families, or anyone who wants real cooking space instead of microwave-only meals. And the lighting above the counters gives off that expensive restaurant vibe. Cooking here honestly feels fun. Toward the back is the bedroom, and it's basically a private retreat. The bed is huge, firm, but comfy, and feels like something you'd find in a luxury suite. You get overhead cabinets, wardrobe space, soft reading lights, and thick walls that keep noise out. The windows are positioned to give you natural views of wherever you're parked: mountains, lakes, forests, cityscapes, whatever lifestyle you're living. And the built-in climate system makes sure the temperature is always on point. It's the kind of bedroom that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome at all. Now let's talk performance, because this beast ain't just a pretty face. Being a Scania, it comes with a powerful diesel engine tuned for long-haul reliability. You've got plenty of torque, smooth power delivery, and enough muscle to climb steep grades without wheezing or begging for mercy. The ride is smooth thanks to the air suspension, which adjusts on the fly to keep the motorhome steady on bumps, curves, and rough roads. Steering feels controlled and responsive, not loose or floaty like older RVs, and the braking system is strong, stable, and confidence-boosting, even when fully loaded. Fuel economy is solid for something this large, especially thanks to Scania's efficient tuning and aerodynamic design. As for the price, well, luxury ain't cheap, folks. The 2026 Scania Motorhome starts around the high six-figure range and can cross into seven figures depending on options and customization. But honestly, if you're shopping in this category, you're paying for world-class engineering, unmatched durability, and comfort that blows most RVs out of the water. For buyers who want the best of the best, the price actually makes sense. And that wraps up the full review of the 2026 Scania Motorhome. This thing is built like a tank, lives like a mansion, and drives like a premium truck. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dive looks at the coolest rigs on the market, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and keep riding with us here at Saint Reviews Hub. Catch you in the next one.